Hello, everyone. I am so happy to talk with you today. We are going to talk about something very special. That special thing is reading. Before we start, I have a question for you. Do you like stories? Do you like learning new things? Do you like adventures? If you said yes, then you will love today's topic. When you read, your eyes see the letters. Your brain puts the letters together to make words. Then your brain understands what those words mean. It's actually your amazing brain working. Reading opens up new worlds for you. Let us explore why reading is so important. Let us find out all the wonderful things that happen when you read. Let us go on this adventure together. 1. Reading takes you on adventures. Imagine you could travel anywhere in the world without leaving your room. You can go to outer space. You can dive deep into the ocean. You can go back in time and see dinosaurs. Reading can do all of this for you. When you read a book, you go on an adventure. You can explore the jungle with wild animals. You can solve a mystery like a detective. You can visit different countries. You can learn how people live there. Reading is like a free ticket. You can go anywhere you want. You do not need money. You do not need a suitcase. You just need a book. 2. Reading gives you knowledge. Books are full of information. You can learn about anything you want. Just read about it. The most successful people in the world read a lot. They always want to learn new things. Reading the news helps you understand the world. You learn what is happening around you. You become someone who knows things. You can think and talk about them well. Knowledge is like treasure. The more you have, the richer you are. And reading is the key to getting that treasure. 3. Reading helps you make better decisions. When you read, you learn about people. You learn about different situations. In books, you see characters make good choices. You also see them make bad choices. You see what happens next. You learn a lesson. And you did not have to make the mistake yourself. You learn from the people in books. The more you read, the more situations you know about. This helps you make better choices in your own life. 4. Reading improves your imagination. Your imagination is your ability to see pictures in your mind. It is your creativity. It is how you think of new ideas. Reading is like fuel for your imagination. When you read, you make pictures in your mind. The book gives you words. You turn those words into images. You create the sounds and feelings too. You do all of this in your mind. This is different from watching TV. When you watch TV, someone else makes the pictures for you. You just look at them. But when you read, you make the pictures. Your brain is actively working and creating. 5. Reading makes your brain stronger. Did you know that reading is like exercise? Running makes your legs strong. Reading makes your brain strong. When you read, your brain works hard. It sees the letters. It understands the words. It remembers what happened before in the story. It imagines what is happening now. All of this work makes your brain grow. Your brain becomes more powerful. Reading also helps you concentrate. Many people today find it hard to focus on one thing. Reading helps you practice this skill. You learn to focus, and this skill helps you in everything you do in life. 6. Reading helps you learn new words. Every time you read, you meet new words. These new words become part of your vocabulary. Vocabulary means all the words you know and can use. Why is having a large vocabulary important? Because words are tools. The more words you know, the better you can express yourself. You can share your ideas clearly. People will understand you better. Reading is the best way to learn new words. When you see a word in a story, you can often guess what it means from the context. Context means the other words and sentences around it. Even if you don't know the exact meaning, you learn how the word is used. This is natural learning, the way you learned to speak when you were a child. The more words you know, the better you can communicate, and good communication helps you do well in life. 7. Reading improves your writing. Here is something very interesting. When you read a lot, you automatically become a better writer. How does this happen? When you read, you see how others use words. You see how they build sentences. You learn about grammar without studying it. You learn how to organize ideas. You learn many different ways to write. All of this goes into your brain. Then, when you write, it comes out naturally. Even when you write a text message or an email, reading helps you. You write more clearly, you write more correctly. Reading and writing always go together. 8. Reading reduces stress. Life can feel hard sometimes. You might feel worried or nervous about something. Reading is a wonderful way to relax and feel better. Scientists have found that reading can reduce stress. This means reading helps you feel calmer. When you read a good story, you forget your worries. You enter a different world. Your mind takes a rest from your problems. You feel lighter. So, when you feel worried or tired, pick up a book. Let yourself enter another world. You will feel so much better. 9. Reading is fun. This might be the most important reason of all. Reading is enjoyable. There is nothing quite like getting lost in a good book. You forget about everything else. Finding a book you love is like finding a treasure. Some people say their favorite book changed their life. And there are so many kinds of books. Whatever you're interested in, there's a perfect book for you. 10. Conclusion. Reading is important for so many reasons. It takes you on adventures. It gives you knowledge. It helps you make better decisions. It improves your imagination. It makes your brain stronger. It helps you learn new words. It improves your writing. It reduces stress. And most importantly, reading is fun. Reading is like a superpower. It makes you smarter, more creative, and more successful. It helps you understand yourself. It helps you understand the world. It opens doors for you. Reading makes your life richer. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you feel excited about reading now. So, go ahead. Start your reading adventure now. If these words touched your heart, subscribe and come back for more.